Alright guys, the Aventador S behind me. This is our fourth color fade wrap. This is probably the nicest combination of colors. You guys went crazy over the white and pink. It was amazing. The black and red was a little bit more subtle. Every time. You realize that? Yeah. And it does that every 30 minutes. The black and red Chris Brown's Aventador SV was a little more subtle. The black obviously doesn't show off as much as the white. And also the first one we did for him, the purple to blue, which is still amazing. I love that one. But this white to green is beautiful. It's a perfect combination. This car was Verde Ethica anyways, so it does have some green piping and stuff. Goes really good with it. But yeah, again, satin pearl white to satin pearl green. This is all printed. Check this out. This is a cool little detail for you guys. This is the Aventador mirror, obviously disassembled. And look at the color. You could tell it's kind of like a faded white green because it's going right here. There's a portion of the door that fades into it, so we kind of did the same method. Also, the other cool thing about this car you guys are going to see is the roof is wrapped. On the other three, the roof are all black. That's going to show off all those details really well. Super excited with this one. We are painting a lot of stuff to match the wrap right now, which is very difficult to do. We're doing that right now in the booth. Let's go check it out.
Oh yeah.
What's up? You didn't? No, it's not ready yet, but.
Oh yeah. Yes sir. Practice white. I stepped in something different.
All right, guys, we're in our in-house paint booth, one of two paint booths that we have. Most places that wrap cars do not have a paint booth, literally. So we have the wrap place and we have the paint place. So behind me, you see wheels. We don't paint wheels often anymore. That's like an old thing to do. We usually send it out for powder coating. It's more durable. However, for this car, we are matching the wheel color to the wrap. So we have to make the paint to match as close as possible to that wrap color. And I can't breathe. Satin pearl green right here. You see these are the two back wheels to match the back of the car. Pan this way, we have the mesh grills for the back bumper. When we go over here, we have the front wheels, which are satin pearl white. Now, it might not look so satin because we just shot the clear coat on there about 10 minutes ago, so it's drying. The more dry it gets, the more satin it's gonna look. So right now it looks a little bit glossy, but it's gonna turn satin. Also behind us is the front mesh grill, also in white. So the whole idea behind this car is gonna be obviously white to green. He also wanted to have as less plastic on it as possible. So all the plastic is getting painted. The rest of it is carbon fiber. So we're super excited to put this all together. It's a really fun project. If you guys have ideas, shoot it our way. We can make anything happen. This is number 4 color fade in about 1 month. This is in the Instagram app. If you go to create and you press this little button, it changes colors for background. But as you can see, it's color fade. Chris Brown's original idea actually came from this. So this is that purple to blue, like his Aventador. Really crazy. Also, look at this. This is a green to blue. I want to do this one next. If somebody's down, hit us up. We got like an orange to yellow. This is like a purple to pink. Rainbow, we could even do the whole car rainbow. That might be dope. But yeah, lots of other stuff. You guys already know we're printing out samples. Like this is today, and we're doing a lot of tan and brown. So that might be the next one. The tan and brown is in the works. So stay tuned, and yeah, this is the place to be when you want the cool stuff. Alright guys, we are behind the McLaren 720S, pearl white to pearl pink. We just finished putting the exhaust on. It's all good to go now. Back bumpers back on, all that stuff's done. However, we still have the temporary wheels on. Unfortunately, the 3-piece wheels we sent out to get powder coated are still not back due to actually the coronavirus. The powder coat guy has been not working for 2 weeks. We are waiting for him to get us the wheels. We're hopeful in the next few days we could grab it from him somehow. But it sucks because a few of the vendors we work with shut down and they don't really care to work. So it is what it is. This customer of mine is a very good friend and he's very patient. So he could take it with these wheels if he likes, but we're waiting for the wheels to come back. But yeah, you guys just saw the white and green Aventador. Looks amazing. Let us know which one you guys like better, the pink or the green. The green came out really, really nice, especially with the white and green wheels and the brake calipers in an inverted color. So really, really cool. That one came out really nice, especially also with the white mesh in the front. I really, really like the way the front of that Aventador S turned out. But yeah, comment below, let us know. Pink McLaren or the green Aventador? You have to eat super crazy hot sauce, or you're gonna wear a clown costume and hold balloons.
No. So hot sauce.
Hot sauce?
Yeah. No, I'm not gonna wear a fucking wig or go anything.
Clown suit, the whole suit.
No.
They won't know it's you.
No.
Okay. The other thing is I could put a tattoo of RDB on your forehead.
The real one?
He didn't say real, so we could put a fake one. I already have it.
Yeah, we can do that.
You want to do that?
Yeah, we can do it. But not today.
Why not?
No, not today.
You have to do it right now. You want Day in the Life of Sarkis or not?
Yeah, but not today.
No, you have to do it now. If it's not today, you have to pick two. So I'll do the tattoo, and then we're gonna pick one more, the hot sauce.
No, we're gonna do one.
No. If you don't do it today, you have to do two of them.
No, that's
Yes.
only one.
You're cheating the fans. They want to see it. We're not gonna make them wait another episode.
No, bro, not today.
Okay then, Monday.
Yeah, Monday, we can do it Monday, but...
Okay, on the next episode, we're gonna do the RDB tattoo and the hot sauce.
No, we're gonna decide it today, we're gonna do it on Monday.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna decide it today.
Yeah, both of those.
No, one.
If you're doing one, I'm gonna do it right now.
No, not now.
Look what they're doing. Look, you guys. You see what Sarkis doing to you
we
guys?
decided one.
You guys love him so much.
So
you won't even put this fake tattoo on his forehead.
So we decided one, and I'm keeping my word.
No,
we can just do one.
Yeah,
and we'll
but
do it
you're
on
making
Monday.
them wait now.
No, we're gonna do it on Monday. I have to go somewhere today. We'll do the tattoo one. I like that.
Okay, it's now.
But not now. But
Then
it's not
just-
interesting
okay,
today. If you
Then
do it.
fine, you're just gonna do this, and you're gonna eat some hot sauce. Big deal.
Okay, so if I do it now, it's not interesting. The whole day is because if I go home in a few minutes, the thing is.
Okay, fine. We're gonna do this to you on Monday.
Yeah.
But you're gonna leave it on the whole day.
Yeah.
Okay. Deal, guys. We're gonna put the temporary tattoo on his forehead right here, and he's gonna work the whole day on Monday.
Can we put it here or not?
No, you're putting it on your forehead
Why not?
because he said forehead.
Okay.
Okay, thank you to T Money.
What's the money? Can we get some
One of
money?
your fans. He has a task for Sarkis. Make him actually work. I like that task, T Money.
This is joking around. JK.
No, that doesn't mean that.
Yes, it is.
No.
It is. It's JK joking around.
No.
Isn't that joking around? Yeah, joking around.
It's just kidding.
Just kidding. Yeah, just kidding.
Okay, so yeah, see, he was at T Money is the winner, so that's what we're doing.
Okay.
Next episode, guys, stay tuned. We're gonna put this on his forehead, and you're gonna
Yeah,
watch him
I
work.
keep my word. So.